Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will walk you through how to get started with System.io, an all-in-one marketing platform for creating landing pages, sales funnels, and managing contacts. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to System.io. Then you have to click on this link, the first one, tap onto it, and then enter your email address. After entering your email address, click on this click here option, tap onto it. It's gonna create a free account for me. Now it is asking for me that if I already have a business or not. Just answer them as according to you. Like if you have a business, then tap onto yes, and don't have to no. Just tap onto it. Then it is asking that what kinds of business do I own. Just answer the all the information it is asking for you correctly. It is asking for me what kind of business do I have, so I'm gonna type this. Just then tap on to next. It is asking for my phone number, so you just have to choose your country. Then you have to enter your phone number. As you can see, it is asking for my System.io account email address, so I'm just gonna paste it. Then you have to tap on to submit. That's it, your free account is almost ready. Now you have to confirm your email address. From there, just confirm your email address, tap on I'm not a robot. You have to enter your first name, then you have to input your new password. Enter your password. After completing all the informations, you have to tap on I am not a robot and just verify yourselves. Then you have to tap on to save. So that's it. Shit, you can see that my password is, that's it. Now you can create campaigns from here, like click on email, then you can tap onto campaigns and create campaigns. Also you can add your websites like blogs, sales funnels, digital stores, etc. You can also use this option, automations, ad assets, etc. Just use them as you want. And if you want to upgrade it, then tap on to upgrade and buy a premium plan, whichever you want. Usually I prefer the webinar one because I like this offer. Just choose your personal preference, choose according to your personal preference, and that's it. You can customize your payment settings from here. You can see that you can see a lot of options. Just customize it according to yourself. Also you can use shipping settings, like you can add your shipping services, like enable shipping settings, and then you can create them. So that's it. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.